Next one is circle has a circumference as 48 pi, and equation of normal to circle is x plus y equal to 2, and one of the greatest chord has equation 2x minus y equal to 1. Now given equation, circle has a circumference of the circle 48 pi. Now 2 pi r, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 48 pi. So r equals to 24. Radius of the circle 24. Now equation of normal to circle is x plus y equal to 2. Equation of normal. This one normal, it means line passes. This line passes through center of circle. One of the greatest chord is diameter. Okay, greatest chord is diameter. Normal means this line passes through center of circle. Next, one of the greatest chord is the diameter. Diameter passes through center of circle. Normal passes through center of circle. These two are intersected at center. Normal and diameter both are intersected at center. So point of intersection of normal and diameter is center. So solve these two lines. X plus y equal to 2. 2x minus y equal to 1. Solve these two. Now center is 1 comma 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 1. 2 minus 1 1. Center is 1 comma 1. Solve change, adding these two, y cancelled, adding these two. So 3x equal to 3, x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Center 1 comma 1, radius 24. So center is alpha comma beta, radius is 24. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to r square 24 square by 76. So this one is the equation of circle. Next one is intercept of circle. Next one is intercept of circle. Intercept of circle. X-axis, y-axis, horizon, O. Intercept of circle A, B, A and B. Here AB is x-intercept of the circle. Now center is C. Center minus f comma minus g. Minus f comma minus g. AB is a chord. From center to chord drawn perpendicularly. This one is midpoint. AM equal to BM. So CA is the radius R. So CM length is y coordinate of center modulus. This one is a minus z comma minus f. Center is minus z comma minus f. So length CM length is, it is x-axis. Length of CM is y coordinate of center. What is y coordinate of center? Modulus f. Length is modulus y coordinate f. So only f. Now here x-intercept AB is the intercept. X-intercept AB. What is the length of AB? Length of AB is 2 times of AM. AM equal to BM. 2 times of AM or 2 times of BM. 2 times of AM or 2 times of BM. First method 1. Now AB equals to 2 times of AM. Now it is a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square equal to am square plus cm square. Now am square equal to hypotenuse square minus cm square. So square root of r square minus f square. So radius formula, what is the radius formula? R square equal to g square plus f square minus c minus f square. So 2 times of square root of g square minus c, f square minus f square cancel. This is the x-intercept of this circle. It is a method 1. No, method 2. Now method 2 is, so what is the equations of circle? X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2f by plus c equal to 0. On x-axis, point A and point B lie on x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So the equation becomes x square plus 0 square plus 2zx 2f is 0 plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic in x. This one is quadratic in x. So it gives the 2 roots. The value of x is 2 roots. So roots of this equation be xa and xb. xa and xb. So xa means x coordinate of A, here xb means x coordinate of B point. So this point is, point A is x coordinate of A, comma 0. On x-axis y coordinate is 0. So point B is x coordinate of B, comma 0. These are 2 points. So point A xa comma 0, point B is xb comma 0. This length is xa, this length is xb. So this one is xa comma 0. It means from origin to point A, length is xa. Point B is xb comma 0. From origin to point B, length is xb. So what is the length of AB? Here AB length equal to modulus, AB length equal to modulus entire length. So BO minus OA. Modulus BO minus AO. Or OB minus OA, whatever. O is origin. OB minus OA. So OB length, modulus OB minus OA. So OB length is XB. This one equal to XB minus XA. X coordinate of B minus X coordinate of A modulus. So XA and XB are roots of this quadratic equation. So sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? XA plus XB. Sum of the roots equal to minus B by A. So minus 2Z by A. A is 1. AX square plus BX plus Z. Now product of roots xa into xb equal to c by a. C is 1, a is 1. C is c by 1 is a is 1 c. So product of roots is sum of roots. So difference of roots formula or square root of discriminant by small a. A is 1. Ax square plus bx plus z. So difference of the roots is discriminant, square root of discriminant by a. Discriminant formula b square minus 4az అలానే చేయొచ్చు లేదా a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4az అలానే 4ab అని చేయొచ్చు. So a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So ఈ ఫార్ములాని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చండి లేదంటే డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. Now ab length equal to square root of, so a plus b whole square xa plus xb whole square minus 4 times of xa xb by a is 1 limit. Now square root of xa plus xb, sum of the roots minus 2z whole square, 4z square, minus 4 times of product of roots is c, 4c. So bring outside 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 times of square root of g square minus c. This one is x coordinate, x intercept of the circle. What x intercept? Square root of g square minus 2 times of square root of g square minus c. Similarly, y-intercept is 2 times of square root of f square minus c. X-axis, y-axis. So point C, point D. So y-intercept is CD. Now equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So x equal to 0. So y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is quadratic in y. Quadratic in y. It gives two roots. YC. YC means y coordinate of C and y coordinate of D. YD. So point C is 0 comma YZ. Point D is 0 comma y coordinate D. So point C is 0 comma YZ. Point D is 0 comma YD. So this length is origin. So OC length is YC. Length of OD is YD. Now here CD is y-intercept of the circle. So CD equals OD modulus OD minus OC. So OD is y-intercept of D. OD is y coordinate of D minus OC is y coordinate of C. So formula is square root of d by a. Formula need cheyachandi ledante formula telusu kada, a minus b whole square equals a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So length of CD is square root of yd plus yc whole square minus 4 times of yd into yc. Take sum of the roots, product of the roots. This is the quadratic equation. Sum of the roots. What are the roots of yc and yd? Yc plus yd equals sum of the roots equals minus b by a minus 2f by a. A is 1. Next, product of the roots yc into yd equals product of the roots c by a, c by 1 c. So substitute. So this will be square root of sum of the roots minus 2f whole square, 4f square minus 4 into yd into y is product of roots is c. So this will be bring outside 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times of square root of f square minus c. CD. Length of CD. Now circle SC is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. First x-intercept. X-intercept is 2 times of square root of g square minus c. Now y-intercept 2 times of square root of f square minus c. Now note point, note 1. If g square is greater than c, then circle will intersect x-axis at two distant points. At two distant points. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Y-axis, x-axis. So these two are. The second point, if g square equal to c, then circle will touch x-axis, touch the x-axis. So this one is so these two. Third point, if g square less than c, then circle will not intersect or touch x-axis. So just example, g square less than c, then circle will not intersect or touch x-axis, entirely outside the x-axis. So similarly, f square minus this one is f square greater than c. F square greater than c, then circle will intersect y-axis at two distant points, x-axis, y-axis. Next, f square equal to c, then circle will touch y-axis. If f square less than c, then circle will not intersect or touch y-axis. Will not intersect or touch the y-axis. For example, x-axis, y-axis. So మీరు గ్రాఫ్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే సో ది సర్కిల్ will intersect the x-axis at two distant points. సో మనకి ఏమొస్తుందండి g square greater than c. Next, the circle will not intersect and touch the y-axis. It means f square less than c. సో ఇలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవాలి డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే. సో ఎందుకంటే మనకి సర్కిల్ అనేది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ని టూ డిస్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ టచ్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే జీ స్క్వేర్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ సి. సో ఇదే సేమ్ సర్కిల్ వై యాక్సిస్ కి ఏముంది మనకి విల్ నాట్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అండ్ విల్ నాట్ టచ్ ద వై యాక్సిస్. వై యాక్సిస్ ని టచ్ చేయట్లేదు, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ కావట్లేదు. సో ఎఫ్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ సి, ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అండ్ వై యాక్సిస్. సో ఇలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుందండి. Now, an example, let a circle is x square x square plus y square plus 6x plus 10y plus 12 equal to 0 is given. Then find its x-intercept and y-intercept. Now x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to, c means 12. 12 equal to 0. 2z equal to 6, g equal to 3. Now 2f equal to 10, f equal to 5. So center is minus 3 comma minus 5. So we are c equal to 12. Now x-intercept, 2 times of square root of g square minus 2, 3 square 9, sorry, g square minus c. So 2 times of g square minus c, 9 square, 3 square 9, 9 minus c, 12. So not defined, under root negative, so not defined, undefined. So this one will not intersect x-axis, will not intersect x-axis. This one is on x-axis. So center may depend on the center, which quadrant here, minus 3 comma minus 4, minus 3 comma minus 4 and maximum the ocean. So this one not cutting x-axis. So will not intersect x-axis or not cutting x-axis. Now y-intercept, 2 times of square root of f square minus c, f square 25, I square 25 minus 12. This one is 2 root 13. Here f square is greater than c, f square is greater than c. So now y-axis. So intersect at 2 distant points or y-axis. So finally diagram draw cheyalankondi. So here center is minus z comma minus f, minus 3 comma minus f. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. So y-axis, this one is x-axis. So the cycle intersect y-axis at 2 distant points. Center is minus 3 comma minus 5. 2 points A comma B. 2 endpoints A comma B. So what is the length of AB? This length is 2 root 13. This length is 2 root 13. I hope you are understanding. Next one, find the equation of circle passing through origin and making intercepts of length 3 and 4 on coordinate axis. So what is the equation of the circle? Is b x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Equation of circle passing through origin. The cycle is passing through origin. Here C is offset. There is no constant. The cycle passes through origin. The constant part is offset. So there is no constant. So what is the equation? X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. See here, C equal to 0, constant C equal to 0. Given intercept, making intercepts of length 3 and 4. So x-intercept 3. Next y-intercept is 4. X-intercept 2 times of square root of g square minus c equal to 3. Here c is 0. So square root of g square equal to 3 by 2. Now g square equal to 9 by 4. Square on both sides. G will be plus or minus 3 by 2. So better one is a 2z. So 2z here. 2z equals plus or minus 3. The value of 2z. Y-intercept is 4. 2 times square root of f square minus c equals 4. Square root of f square minus c equals 2. Square on both sides. C is 0. The value of c is 0. So f square equal to 4. Now f equal to plus or minus 2. So 2f equal to plus or minus 4. So the required cycle, the equation of the cycle, x square plus y square plus 2zx plus or minus 2zx, 2z is plus or minus 3, plus or minus 3x. Next 2f plus or minus 2f equal to plus or minus 4y. See, there is no c, c is constant, equal to 0. This one is the equation of the circle. This is equation of 4 cycles. Equation of 4 cycles. So plus plus one cycle, cycle 1, plus minus cycle 2, minus minus cycle 3, minus plus cycle 4. So there are 4 cycles. So this is the equation of 4 cycles. So plus plus one cycle, plus minus, minus plus, minus minus. Actually, diagram is x-axis, y-axis. X-intercept is 3. Magnitude, intercept is magnitude. This one is y-intercept is 4. X-intercept is 3, y-intercept is 4. So, yeah, cycles are passing through origin. So total 4 cycles. So cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4. 4 cycles. This is the diagram. I hope this is clear. Two rods of length A and B slide along the coordinate axis, which are rectangular in such a way that their ends are always concyclic. Find locus of center of circle passing through these ends. X-axis, y-axis, concyclic. 4 points lie on circumference of the circle. Suppose A, B, C, D, or A, B, C, D lie on circumference of the circle. Points A, B, C, D are called concyclic. So this one A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D are concyclic. So those 4 points or lie on circumference of the circle. Okay, this is a circle, center C, H comma K. So locus of center. Question is to find the locus of center H comma K. Generally center is minus Z comma minus F. Here H comma K, H equal to minus Z, F equal to K equal to minus F. So G equal to minus H, F equal to minus K. Let circle B. So given two rods. So two rods of length A and B slide along the coordinate axis. This length is A, this length is B. Two rods. AB is one rod, CD is one rod. So two rods A and B. Let circle B. X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Given two intercepts, x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. So x-intercept 2 times of square root of g square minus c equals a. Let us say equation 1. Now y-intercept b, 2 times of square root of f square minus c equals b. Let us say equation 2. So here parameters g and f. Okay, square on both sides. So this one square on both sides. 4 times of g square minus c equal to a square. So square on both sides. 4 times of f square minus c equal to b square. So better one, this one let us say equation 1 and equation 2. Second one is subtract from first. Second one is subtract from first. Okay. C is cancelled out, parameter C. So 4 times of g square minus c minus f square plus c equal to a square minus b square. So these two are cancelled. So 4 times of g square minus f square equal to a square minus b square. Here g square, g equal to minus h. 4 times of g equal to minus h whole square, h square minus f is minus k. So minus k whole square is k square equal to a square minus b square. So replace h comma k by x comma y, locus of center. So 4 times of x square minus y square equal to a square minus b square. So this is the locus of center. I hope this is clear. Therefore, locus B, 4 times of x square minus y square equal to a square minus b square. So I hope this is clear. Next one, let f of x comma y equal to 0 is the equation of circle. F of x comma y equal to 0 has equal root, that is 2, and f of 1 comma y has equal root, that is 0. Find the circle. Let f of x comma y, equation of the circle, be x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Given f of x comma 1 equal to 0, f of x comma 1. So x coordinate is x, y coordinate is 1. Now x square plus 1 plus 2zx plus here x, y is 1, 2f plus c equal to has equal root. Equal root, that is 2. Equal root and one root is 2, x minus 2. Another root is also 2, x minus 2. So bring lambda times of, equal root means lambda times of x minus 2 whole square. Suppose 3 equal roots which are called, one root is 2, other two roots 2 and 2, x minus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 whole cube. Alpha comma beta are roots of the equation. Now x minus alpha into x minus beta. So lambda times of x minus alpha into lambda times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is the quadratic equation. Actually, we take a lambda times which is equal to equal root. Equal root means x minus 2 whole square. So actually, we take lambda times of x minus 2 whole square, but remove lambda. Why I remove lambda? Because so left hand side coefficient of x square is 1. Cycle form avalga coefficient of x square same undali manaki. So lambda remove cheyali. I hope this is clear. So left hand side is coefficient of x square is 1. So lambda మనం తీసుకోకూడదు, lambda 1 కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. ఇంకే వాల్యూస్ కంటిన్యూ చేసినా ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతుంది. Now x square plus 2zx plus 2f plus c plus 1 equal to x square plus 4x, sorry, minus 4x plus 4. Now compare left hand side and right hand side part equations. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x square is 1. So compare 2z equal to minus 4, 2z equal to minus 4. Now g equal to minus 2. సో మనం సైకిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే సెంటర్ తెలియాలి, మైనస్ జీ కమా మైనస్ ఎఫ్ సెంటర్ తెలియాలి, నెక్స్ట్ రేడియస్ తెలియాలి. రేడియస్ అని సి తెలిసిన సరిపోతుంది, సి వాల్యూ తెలిస్తే మ్యాక్సిమం అయిపోతుంది. జీ ఎఫ్ అండ్ సి 3 వాల్యూస్ తెలిస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ తెలిసిపోతుంది, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడమే కదా. సో జీ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 2. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 4. Next one, f of 1 comma y, f of 1 comma y, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is y. F of 1 comma y has equal root which is 0. So this one is quadratic in y, so y square. So y minus z whole square in y minus 0 into y minus 0, that is which is y square. Now f of 1 comma y, x is 1 plus y square plus 2z plus 2fy plus c equal to this one y square. So lambda times of y minus z whole square, y minus 0 whole square generally. So 0 is the root, it is a quadratic in y minus 0 into y minus 0, lambda times of. But here coefficient of y square is 1, అందుకే lambda remove చేస్తున్నాం. So simply y square. So compare left and right hand side. Constant is 2z. So 2z equals, okay, here 2fy, coefficient of y is 2f. Here coefficient of y is 0 into y. Constant is 0. So coefficient of y is 0. There is no y. So 2f equal to 0. F equal to 0. Constant is 0. What is constant? So 2z plus c plus 1 equal to 0. సో ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ తెలుసు, మన జీ వాల్యూ తెలుసు, అంటే సెంటర్ తెలిసిపోయినట్లే. సో మనం సి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనము ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసామంటే సి వాల్యూ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ జీ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా సి వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. బోత్ కేసెస్ సి వాల్యూ సేమ్ రావాలి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ? 0. సో సి ఈక్వల్ టు 4 minus 1 3. సో ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, జీ వాల్యూ జీ ఈజ్ minus 2 minus 4 plus c plus 1 equal to 0. C equal to 3. C equal to 3. Here G available, F available and C available. So what is the equation? Therefore the equation of the circle is x square plus y square 2zx. G is minus 2 minus 4x. F is 0 plus the constant is 3, C is 3, 0. This one is the equation of the circle. I hope you are understanding.